Hi, it's Marina and I'm doing unboxing of my January Essential Reward order. So I have my son here, he's gonna help me. So let's see what I got. You show mommy.
Mommy.
What is that? Show me.
Me.
Vitamin.
That is me.
Yes, it's yours.
Wow.
Vitamin. Here, let's show more.
This. Mommy, this mama.
That's for mommy.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Some lip balm. What is that? I got cinnamon, lavender, and grapefruit.
I eat what? I eat this.
So let's see how I can do this one-handed. No, it came right out. Inner Defense. Can you open this for me, please? Thank you.
Mommy, no, this mine, this mama.
That's right. One for you, one for me.
I can open. Wow.
Gentle Baby. Let's see what else. Rosemary. You gonna eat that?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. Let's open. We have more.
This.
You gonna smell? Tea tree.
Like this.
This is peppermint. My son's trying to open. Thieves. I ran out of Thieves this month. And Valor. I gave my bottle to when I went to get my massage done. And that's it. That's all I got. 3 lip balm. Kids Vitamin from Kids Scent. Inner Defense. Thieves. Tea Tree. Rosemary, Peppermint, Gentle Baby, and Valor. And that's it. I hope you liked my order. I reached the 190 PV, so I got a few freebie. Rosemary was a freebie, Peppermint was a freebie, and I think Tea Tree was a freebie too. And that's it. I hope you all enjoy it.